The benefits of nature and outdoor activities. Nature has a powerful impact on our physical and mental well-being, and spending time outside can have a positive effect on our mood, stress levels, and overall health. Here are some ways that nature and outdoor activities can benefit us. Nature can reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress. Outdoor activities can improve physical health. Activities such as hiking, biking, and swimming can improve cardiovascular health and help with weight management. Nature can boost creativity and productivity.